Hello, today I'm going to show you our new Snowbird feature. This feature allows subscribers to have multiple addresses that they can easily switch between so that they always get their publication even when they're traveling. They can also set the address to automatically activate on a specific date and then change back on a date in the future. To enable this feature, you just go to your publication settings, find the additional addresses feature, click that to turn it on, and save changes. Now let's imagine that a subscriber has called in and they're headed south for the winter. They want to change their address. So first we pull up their account. Then here we can click on Add Address. We type in the new address here. And then if they know when they're going to be headed south, pick the date that we want to activate that address on and click Save. And now you can see here we have an additional address listed. It tells us when it's going to become active, and that address automatically will become their active address on February 1st. Then if they know when they'll be headed back north, we can also set the date for their original address to be reactivated on. So we click here, they're coming back at the end of March. We hit save, and now their original address will automatically reactivate on March 31st. Now let's say we have another subscriber that calls in. They already have a secondary address, but now they're headed down to Florida, so all we have to do is click here, and the two addresses have been swapped. So now her active address is the Fort Lauderdale one instead of her New York address. Then if we want to, we can set an activate date when she's coming back, mid-April. And so now it'll switch back to her New York address on April 15th. And finally, a subscriber can have as many addresses as are necessary. So I can add a third one here. Click Save. Now I have multiple addresses. I can swap in any one of these for the current address. I can change it, set an activate date. You can have multiple activate dates, so different addresses can switch at different times. And of course I can delete addresses to clean up any old ones that the person is no longer using. One last thing to mention, all of these Snowbird features are available to the subscriber themselves. So if they log into their account, they can add a new address, set an activation date, clean up old addresses, everything that I just showed you. And that's it for our new Snowbird feature. If you have any questions, please let us know. Thank you.